Hey, pretty builders. Today I'm going to be talking about how to add digital products to your online store. Now, you can also add physical products and many other things, and I'll actually link below the physical product video for you in the description. So if you want to check that out as well. So I recommend if this is the first time setting up your store to actually go through this little, setup sequence here to get everything kind of connected and get acquainted with how to use the store. But today I'm just going to show you how to set up a digital product. So go ahead and head over here to products, click add product, click digital product, and then you can go through everything here. So we'll say test digital product. And in the description here, you can have just a regular text description, or you can actually use the drag and drop editor that you use on all of your builders. So you could add forms in here, you could add sliders, galleries, everything that you want to add in there to kind of make a more robust product page and really entice your customer to buy. You can also add a price, so we'll add, $100. You can make it on sale if you want. You can make it a subscription product, so if you wanted to charge them every single month, charge every month, you could charge them, this would be $100 every single month. And so that's pretty cool if you want to add a recurring option, especially for like a beauty product. Let's say you have, so this is really cool. Like, let's say you have, a coaching program, or you have a course, or you have one-on-one monthly coaching, and you charge them $100 a month, it would automatically just charge them. You wouldn't have to think about it, and you can move on with your life. You obviously don't necessarily need a SKU for your digital products, but whatever you want to do, this is up to you. Choose your own adventure. So the product file, this is what makes the digital product section different than all the other products. So when someone purchases this digital product, let's say you have an ebook, you would add the ebook into here, you would upload your file, and as soon as they purchase it, it will get sent to their email, which is really nice. They have, 24 hours that the link is active to download the PDF, but most people, if you're buying an ebook, they're going to download it right away. But you can also set up a custom thank you page here. So you would choose this and then choose the page that you create, but you could create a custom thank you page that has a button on it and saying thank you and everything, but the button will contain the file, because in every single link, so let's pretend you created a button and you wanted to add a link to it. This link section will look the same for a button. So you could add file, and you could add the ebook into there as well. So you could have it being sent to their email, and you could have it being sent, as soon as they purchase this product, they'll be sent to this custom thank you page where they can also download the ebook. So it'll be sent to them twice, just in case, they don't get the email, or let's say, they don't get sent to the custom thank you page, or they just click out and don't notice it, it'll still be sent to their email. Now, I do have a video on this, on, how people can get sent the file after they've purchased a digital product, and I will link that below for you. I would say with digital products, you don't necessarily need to track the inventory, because digital products are kind of infinite, so that's really up to you as well. You can also add additional questions. So let's say you are a coaching person and you want to have questions on the actual checkout, so that way you can gather some information on them beforehand, and that way, if you are doing a coaching program or something, you already have an idea of what help they need with. So you can always add questions here for them to fill out as well. And you can tag your customers after they purchase this product. So they'll get put into your they'll get added into your CRM or your customer relationship manager, and they'll be tagged with the appropriate tag. That way you can target them and send them emails that are targeted to what you're selling here. So if it was a coaching product, you could tag them with coach, and they would be put into your contacts area, and you could email just those people about coaching or additional products that have to do with that. You can add an image for your product here. You can add a category for your product here. And this is mostly just for the default store pages. That way you can kind of keep everything organized. You could also make this a hidden product, which just means that it won't show up on your default store page in your store archive. So if you were selling something on just a page or in a funnel, you could have this hidden so it would only show up on those funnel pages instead of showing up in your main store. And you can change the product URL and the SEO settings for the product. So we'll go ahead and choose a product file here because it's not going to let us save until we do. So I just put an image in there, so it doesn't really matter. This is just for test purposes. So we'll go ahead and save the changes. And then I just quickly wanted to show you the styling of the product page so you could see how it looks. So in your layout and styling section, you can style your product page, you can style the product layout on the listings. So this would show all your products. And if you had made it hidden, it wouldn't show up on this page. You have your cart, your checkout, and your cart quick view, which is just this little button in the corner and you can see your cart like that. But we'll go ahead and just take a look at the product page. We're not going to go through styling it right now, but I just wanted to show you real quick. So this is that description that I showed you. You could have it just this text, or you could have had different widgets in here and made it look really nice. You can also, this is where you would have the price and the sale, but if it's a subscription, it would look different. Here's your product picture. And the cool thing is you can add all these blocks and everything. You know, if you wanted testimonials on your product page, you could add all these blocks onto your actual product page. You can add any of the widgets. And so you can get really robust and customized with each of your products, which is super, super nice. But that's it, guys. I just quickly wanted to show you how to set up a digital product. Like I said, I will link in the description below how to send someone the file once they've purchased their product, but it's pretty simple. So I recommend watching that video after this as well, just so you can kind of get a full understanding of how the digital products work on Pretty Dashboard. If you have not used Pretty Dashboard before, you do get a free 14-day free trial. If you have not used Pretty Dashboard before, you do get a 14-day free trial, completely free. You can try everything on here. You get all of the features. You do not have to enter a credit card. It's literally just your name and email, and you can get building. So you can kind of check out and play around with these products in the store and the builder and everything else that comes with Pretty Dashboard. So head over to prettydash.co and get started right now. All right, pretty builders. Until next time.